Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I have brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 5 Rozi. Here you can see this is a Redmi 5 Rozi. Let's check the specification of this ROM. Here you can see this is MIUI 12.2 ROM. As you can see MIUI 12.2 Revolution OS 20.9.22 version. As you can see this is the full detailed information about this ROM. Here you can see this is the logo. This is the boot logo also. This logo is available in the boot logo also. Let's check the device name Redmi 5 model. Let's check the specification of this ROM. All specification. This ROM is based on Android, and here you can see this is fully based on Android Q. More Android Pie ROM will be available soon on MIUI 12. We will also check how is the performance of that ROM compare with the Android 10 ROM. Here is the 5 September patch is available in this ROM MIUI 12.2. Here you can see kernel Quell Lite kernel is installed in this ROM 3.18. Let's check the features of this ROM. What are the features? All the features are same, but we will check the bugs of this ROM. We will not check all the features. Here you can see MI login. MI account is logging in easily. You can easily log in MI account, no problem in MI account. No need to flash any fix or something else. Here is the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is also working perfectly, no problem in Wi-Fi. You can easily connect Wi-Fi without any problem. Bluetooth, here is the Bluetooth. I have already connected the Bluetooth battery 60% remaining active. Bluetooth is working perfectly, no problem in Bluetooth, and the songs are also playing perfectly, no problem in songs. We have Bluetooth audio devices. Here is the Bluetooth icon and is the battery icon. Hotspot, let's check the hotspot also. Hotspot also working perfectly, no problem in the hotspot. Let's check the hotspot in the Wi-Fi in the other device. Here you can see this is the Redmi 5A. Here you can see Redmi 5 is available in our device. You can easily connect without any problem, so there is no problem in the hotspot. Turn off hotspot is also working perfectly. Let's check the always on display. Here is the always on display. Show item. You can change the time also, schedule. If you always on, let's turn to always on. Let's change the style also. This ROM is better than previous MIUI 12 premium ROM जो कि थी MIUI 12 premium plus. It is better than that. Let's me apply the theme. This is the always on display. Let's apply the always on display. Here you can see this is the always on display. It works perfectly for few seconds only, then it blinks automatically. This is the bug in MIUI 12 all ROMs, whether each and every ROM I have tested. Always on display is the same as the previous ROM, but it blinks sometimes. After restart also, clean wipe also, result is same. So there is a bug in always on display. It flickers a lot. Notification is also working perfectly. Here you can see this is the pulse notification. It works perfectly, no problem in the pulse, but it is only for 3 seconds. Raise to wake is working perfectly. Double tap to wake, double tap to sleep, it works perfectly. Let me show you. Let's check the format also. Here is the format. Let's change this format. Here you can see format works for few seconds only. It always turn on. Here is the camera. Camera is working perfectly, no problem in the camera. Back camera, rear camera, it works perfectly, no problem in the camera. You can easily click photos. Here is the back camera and here is the front camera. Remember photos. Here you can see it works perfectly front camera also. So there is the bug in the format also. Club screen format, it does not work. All the format does not work. And double tap to sleep. Here is the double tap to wake. Double tap to wake, double tap to sleep work perfectly, no problem in double tap. You can easily use these features. Let's check the fingerprint. How fast is the fingerprint compare with the Android 12, Android 10, MIUI 12, the previous ROM, MIUI plus. Here is the fingerprint. Let me apply the fingerprint. Vibration is also working perfectly. Navigation by vibration works perfectly. First it will set it to light, then you have to change it to the strong from sound. Let's check the speed of the fingerprint. Tap. Here you can see speed of the fingerprint is better than average. So you can say that the fingerprint is better than the previous MIUI 12 plus ROM or premium ROM. Or you can say this. You can install this ROM for daily use also. I will recommend it better than the previous ROM. Let's check the face unlock also. How fast is the face unlock? Will it work or not? In the previous ROM face unlock is working perfectly. Now let's check the face unlock in this device. Here you can see I have successfully applied the face unlock. Let's check the face unlock if it works or not. Unlock using face data. Show unlock screen, allow screen light up. Let's check the face data. How fast is the face data? Sometimes, only sometimes the phone lags. It is lagging sometimes. Here you can see face unlock speed is also fast. No problem in the face unlock. Here you can see it can enable easily without any problem. So face unlock is better than average than the previous ROM also. Let's check the display also. Here is the brightness level. Brightness level is working perfectly. Automatic brightness is also working perfectly. Here is the reading mode. Reading mode is also working perfectly. You can schedule also according to your use. Here you can see you can adjust the intensity. It works perfectly. And is the dark mode. Dark mode is available in this ROM. Here you can see this is the pure black ROM. Dark mode, sorry. It will take few seconds to apply. Here you can see it is the pure black theme. It works perfectly in all the applications. Here the color scheme saturated standard is works perfectly, no problem. Color temperature, let's check the color temperature also. Here you can see color temperature is working perfectly. In the previous ROM, color temperature was not working perfectly as it was very light. System font, is the font, you can change the font also, no problem in the font. You can easily apply the themes also. There is no problem in themes, fonts, everything is working perfectly. Only one font is available right now. I have installed few applications in my ROM. Here you can see Volt is working perfectly. Dual SIM is working perfectly, no problem in the Volt or Dual SIM. You can easily use the Geo. Volt work perfectly. I have inserted the Geo in the SIM slot too. It works perfectly. Volt is also working perfectly in the both SIM slot. Here is the control center. You can enable the control center if you want to use it. Works perfectly. Show LTE instead of 4G. You can shift show connection speed also available. Percentage inside the icon is also available. Hide notch if you there is no option. Full screen display is also available. Here is the gestures. You enable the gestures, but it will be laggy in the starting if you enable the gestures. And the sound quality, sound is good in this ROM, not much louder. And the call sound is also very little low, not better than MIUI 11 version, global version. And vibration is also working perfectly. Light vibration, medium vibration, it works perfectly. You can change according to your use. Touch sound, here the touch sound is also working perfectly. You will not be able to hear the touch sound because I have enabled the Bluetooth. First let me disable it. It works perfectly. There is no restart. Here you can see touch sound is working perfectly, no problem in touch sound. Sometime it lags. We will also check the Android 9 version also, so don't worry. Live wallpaper does not work in this ROM, or it all the screen gets black, fully black. Lock screen, double tap to lock screen. Here is the option show memory status is also available. We will check the memory also. Battery performance of this ROM is good. You can check the battery usage status also from here. It is available full time. Here you can see it works perfectly. Battery performance is good, no problem in battery performance. If you want to install this ROM for gaming, then don't install this ROM for gaming. It is not for gaming. Google account is also working perfectly, no problem in the Google account. You can easily log in without any problem, without any flashing any fix or GMS. It works perfectly. And let's check if the device is certified or not. Here you will get device is not certified. Device is not certified in this ROM. MIUI 12 ROM device is not certified. Let's check the applications also, whether Geo application works or not. I have installed the Geo application, so we will test it. Here you can see Geo application is not working perfectly, or you cannot use the banking application in this ROM, or there may be some error in while installing the WhatsApp. It may be say that you have installed the custom ROM or any other type of error. So Geo application is not working, or banking application will not work. Here is the YouTube. YouTube is working perfectly, no problem in the YouTube. You can easily use the YouTube without any problem. Here you can see I have already logged in the account. Here you can see it works perfectly, no problem, no error is showing. Here you can see device info. Let's check the device info also, system info. Here you can see this is the Android 10 based root SS available. This ROM is pre-rooted. Root SS is available. Simply you have to install the Magisk. The Linux is permissive, terrible supported. Here you can see system update, Seamless update not supported. Here is the memory available in this ROM right now, 497 MB available. Let me clean it. We will check after that how much. 646 MB out of 2 GB is available. Here you can see 646. Safety net is failed in this ROM, so safety net does not pass, or it is failed. Here is the Antutu score available, 93,858 score available in this ROM, and 41,000 GPUs, 9500 is GPU performance, CPU and GPU memory performance 26,000. Here is the 16,000 approximate. You can check the compare or with the MIUI 12 previous ROM. You can compare it, and the battery performance is good in this ROM. 2% drop, 1.7 increase temperature, 26.7 degree highest temperature goes. If you want to install this ROM, you can check the installation video, link will be in the description. You can simply skip the you can simply go to the direct to the installation directly. If you want to flash this ROM, you should use the OrangeFox or Xdos recovery. These two recovery are recommended by me. Or if you face any bug or error during installation, you can contact me or comment down below. You can join the Telegram group also. Here is the Mint browser also available. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for daily updates.